Our partnership with Huawei is essential to ensure that we have a quality and optimal infrastructure to ensure the proper functioning of the world.
Are you ready, sir?
Yes, I am.
Introduce yourself, please.
Hello everyone, I am Gary Guillier-Marcelin, General Manager for France and Iberica for SOLUM. Today I'm excited to talk about we are changing the way of ESL.
In what specific ways in the wave of digitalization and intelligence reshaping the retail sectors, and how is your company adapting to or leveraging this transformation?
As a spin-off of Samsung with over 50 years of expertise in wireless technology, SOLUM has emerged as a global leader in electronic shelf labels, ESL, and IoT solutions, deploying more than 300 million ESL across 50,000 stores and more than 40 countries in the world, leveraging its proprietary Newton protocol for seamless ESL and IoT connectivity. The company drives innovation in retail by enabling personalized shopping experiences and operational efficiency. Committed to sustainability, SOLUM integrates eco-friendly design and long-lasting battery technology to minimize environmental impact, solidifying its vision of transforming retail through intelligent, scalable, and sustainable digital solutions.
How is SOLUM leveraging its partnership with Huawei to tackle industry challenges, improve customer experience, and what key achievements have been made so far?
We have been working closely with our partner Huawei on both the technical and commercial side for several years. This allows us upstream to create the technological means that our customer will need tomorrow and to ensure that the entire value chain works perfectly. We work closely together to offer sustainable and easily exploitable solutions for a better in-store customer journey. For example, to overcome store network environment, we are co-developing combined GW solution for both ESL and Wi-Fi and all-in-one network device. This collaboration solution can help customers to use innovative solutions easily.
What's next for SOLUM's ESL innovation, and how does Huawei support this vision?
Our ambition is to create value for our customers around our ESL. We want to offer our customers new solutions to support them in their desire for digital transformation in the front and the back office. Innovations such as the Newton Eye, which is a label with a camera embedded, can manage potential self-shortage but also map flows in stores. These technologies, combined with AI, will completely transform the customer experience in store, but also optimize the work and associate cost in the back office. Our partnership with Huawei is essential to ensure that we have a quality and optimal infrastructure to ensure the proper functioning of the world. And we expect that this kind of collaboration can lead retail industry to more innovative.
I believe that you were been to the Huawei booth. What impressed you most about the Huawei booth?
I can interact with robots, and I believe that it will be the future in retail. You can see AI everywhere, and I can interact with some AI, and it's incredible.
If you had to capture this year's MWC vibe in one word, what would it be?
It will be infinity. We're going to have a bright future in technology, but we're going to have no boundary because now the technology can offer so many things to us.
Thank you for sharing. I look forward to seeing SOLUM continue to grow and succeed.
Thank you for having me. Stay tuned for more exciting innovations from SOLUM. We are excited about the journey, bringing smart retail to more customers every day.